You can order your kit. Give us a call at 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is a shock sensor add-on kit to the factory alarm system. It will not affect your remote start in any way. It doesn't mess up your warranty or nothing like that. It's a very clean installation. The kits already come prepped. So it's just a matter of just hooking up 4 wires. It's very simple. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the glass. Before we install the shock sensor, you would have been able to bang on the glass and break it and nothing would have happened. So this shock sensor add-on is a must. And what we're trying to accomplish is that you don't have to go out and get another alarm and carry another fob around or anything like that. It just adds on to the factory alarm nice and clean. And this is the way to go to give you that glass protection in case somebody tries to bust out your lug nut locks, which I recommend putting a few. These trucks are a little harder anyway because in order to take the rims out, they got to come with cinder blocks. Not like a car that you can put pavers and remove the valve and remove the air out of the tires and slide the tires out. And these trucks just sit high, so it's just going to be a real challenge. But I will go ahead and drop a few lug nut locks if you can. Basically, I'm going to go ahead and knock out the other, bang on the other side to show you that the alarm will trigger. That stops the questions. You never did the other side. Does it work on the other side? Yes, it does. It works all around the whole truck. This shock sensor add-on, you can order it and we ship it out to you. And we'll give you great tech support. It will come with an installation video exactly on the vehicle. So you can just follow the video exactly in this TRX and do the install yourself. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.